Okay, hi and welcome. I'm here with my good friend Joacim, who is also a member of the school.
Hi, Kim.
Hi, nice to have you here again.
Nice to be here again.
Yeah, we produced some content a few years ago.
Yeah.
Together, and now you reach out to me because you had some issues with changing the mousse.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna try.
No.
I leave that to the pros.
You do that, yeah. So thank you for reaching out for me. But yeah, there is something missing here, Joacim.
Yeah. There is a leg missing.
There's a leg missing.
Yeah.
But the will and the effort is not missing.
No, it's still there.
Because when we met, you kind of have started to ride enduro.
Yeah. I started autumn 2019.
Yeah, exactly.
My very first try. I hadn't even ridden off-road before.
No.
So coming from a track road background.
Exactly. And I was surprised with your skills, but I've been following you during these years. We had the pandemic and a lot of shit going on. Mm-hmm. But you had a goal to accomplish one race we have here in Sweden.
Yeah, Stångebro-slaget.
Yeah, and that you have done now.
I have. I even went for the full 3, the Enduro Classic.
Yeah.
So I did Stångebro, that went surprisingly well.
Yeah.
Placed like midfield of all the riders, 628, I think.
Yeah.
And then Renneslätt, that didn't go so well. That was
a tough track.
it was a really rough race.
I don't like that track.
No, I heard it was the roughest ever, and that's just my luck.
Yeah.
So I was like where I started, 497th or something out of 500 something, I don't remember. And then the final Gotland Grand National, that also went really well.
Yeah.
So like mid-level, 926 starters, and I was like mid 500, just about 500 I think.
Yeah, it's awesome, man.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun, and I mean the effort you put in. But what has been the most challenging stuff? Because now you have been riding the bike so much and so on. But what's like the most challenging stuff in training and racing?
Stamina, of course. Ruts.
Yeah.
I hate ruts.
Find the balance in the ruts.
I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm looking down in front of the front wheel instead of looking up and far ahead. But I'm so afraid of losing my balance.
Exactly.
I need some wiggle room.
Yeah.
Because often I, of course, fall to the right then.
Yeah.
So ruts.
I can imagine.
Tight right-handers, of course. Of course, and when it's slippery.
Yeah. Of course, when the bike is starting to move, it's harder for you to adjust with your only one leg.
Yeah, exactly.
Compared to us that have 2 legs.
Yeah, you see the other guys when they, you get a throw or something, they throw out their leg, and I have nothing to throw. So
no, exactly.
Either I go down or I try to save it with some throttle.
Yeah. But if you haven't followed him or you haven't heard, follow his Instagram. We put the links here. It's an amazing guy, good inspiration for me. You attended our racing clinics we had together.
Yeah, I had the first ever. I did.
Yeah, it was.
It was great fun.
Yeah, I have a cool pic of you when you go. You
over
actually,
the log. Yeah.
Go over the log.
I use that one a lot.
Yeah,
it's one of my best pictures.
Yeah, it was really cool, and you it's because it's a good composition of the bike. But what is that? It's a leg missing. Yeah, really cool. Yeah. So anyway, happy to have you here, and I will help you to change some mousse. We have mousse from Airmousse.
Yep.
We have your tires to your Sherco bike.
Yes.
With a good set of tires. You have the Michelin Enduro Medium in the front and in the back. Mm-hmm. And a few tips when it comes to changing mousse is to have proper tools for sure. Tire changing machine, I highly recommend. There is many options. I go with the Rabaconda that I like really much. And also to have a good set of levers, at least 5 of them. because then you can do small steps, which is key when changing tires, and especially with mousse, because the thing with mousse is that it fills out the tire very much, compared to when you have a tube in it. Then you can press it much more, but you're not running the risk of getting a flat tire when changing or when riding a bike. So and we highly recommend to ride with mousse. So the key is to do it everything in the right way, and to do baby steps, not too big gaps when you start to put the tire back. But I'm gonna show you how we do it, and I'm gonna bring out the tire changing machine, and then we're gonna start with the front tire. Always good to also, if I take the front tire here, to work with the opposite side of the braking disc, so you don't hit the risk of Sometimes I do it anyway, just put it there, but especially in the beginning, if you're not used to it, it's better to do it so you have the disc down, the opposite side of the disc. But do you have any questions or anything?
No.
I'll
just let you work and enjoy the view.
And point out, hey, should you do like this? Okay, let's get started. So this is the old mousse that we're gonna change. It's quite small one, and the Airmousse Race Performance will fill out the front tire better. So we remove this one, clean the rim a little bit, and then we install the new mousse in the front. So a good tool to use is a simple brush, painting brush, to fill out the silicone into the tire, which we need to put there to prevent the mousse from or damaging the mousse.
Run through my blood, surges through my body all at once. My heart pumps in the dead of night. My feet run into the fire, right into the fire of my soul.
Now it's getting a little bit warmer now, and changing tires always brings out, especially when you have some resistance, which we had on the front tire. I also was a little bit cautious now with your rims, because it's your rims. If it would be mine, I would just probably press it, you know.
Appreciate
so,
it.
So I took it a little bit, that made it a little more complex in the front, but in the back was no problem. Now we have a good set of tires, good set of mousse in it. What's the goals for this year, 2023?
The goal, Stångebro and Gotland are the ones I'm like, what do you call it? I'm gonna attend those. I'm skipping Renneslätt.
You're skipping Renneslätt?
I've done the classic now. I have no inclination to repeat it.
I see.
So we'll see. I'm thinking about the SCC series. Bergby. Sounds like a track that would suit me. But I'm like picking the nuggets. So if it's like pouring down, I won't go simply.
Exactly.
Stångebro and Gotland I will do regardless of weather, but the other races I will like pick my golden moments, so to speak.
So is it a challenge for you to go race? Like, I'm gonna do that race because I want to have done it, or you find joy? Because I find you very like competitive. You put up a goal and you wanna do it. But do you find the enjoyment of going on a race as well?
No, I don't.
No.
Actually, it's honest. Like a little bit frightening and a little bit terrified, but the feeling of accomplishment afterwards. I have like, for Gotland, it was terrible. You know, I've done the first 2 races, and I had the pressure of having to finish the third one. Three laps you need to do the classics. Exactly. So I couldn't sleep for like a week before, and I was a wreck. But but afterwards it felt great, and it went great. So
you don't feel any emptiness, like, because I know you prepare a lot for the races.
No, like post-race, depression or anything. More relief.
More relief. Okay,
relief
it's done.
and enjoyment.
Good. That's good. Good. Because it's people who haven't raced, they don't know how much adrenaline there is, and preparations and how much effort to stand on the race. Of course, you can just go there and have fun. But as you and me, we prepare a lot and stand when you have done all the preparations, standing there. And
you want the absolute best performance that you can deliver.
Exactly.
And I prepare with meals and the way I eat and prepare with supplements and everything before, because I can't afford to give anything away.
No, exactly.
So it's really to keep track of that. And the goal for this year, now I've done I was the first in the world to race on one leg.
Yeah.
So you can only be first once. But now the goal is like to finish above mid-level in the races that I appear in. So that's like my main goal.
So now it's a result thing.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
The first was last Stångebro, just one lap was like, I wanted at least one lap.
Yeah.
But then I did 3, and then the classic and everything. But now I want better results. So that's the motivation.
That's great, man.
So we'll see.
Yeah, happy to have you here and happy to help you out, Joacim.
Thanks a lot.
Just let me know if you need any more help with anything, and I'm happy to help you out.
Would be great.
Yeah. Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Thank you.